Hello friends, have you ever heard about semi-vowel? I'm sure you may not, or you may have heard about semi-vowel. If you have not heard about semi-vowel, then today I'm going to discuss about this topic, semi-vowel. So, as you know, there are 26 letters in English alphabet, and 5 of them are vowels, mostly A, E, I, O, U, and rest of them, 21 of them are consonants. So, among them, leaving all the vowels, whatever remaining letters are there, they are known as consonants. But then, what is semi-vowel? So, semi-vowel is a letter which is used as vowel as well as consonant. So, semi-vowels are used for both, used as a vowel as well as consonant. And there are two semi-vowels, that is W and Y. These are the two letters. W and Y are known as semi-vowels. So, if W and Y are used at the beginning of any word, then it is pronounced or it is said to be as a consonant, and it gives real sound. Let's say, for example, what, why, where, when, yellow, years. So when this W and Y are used at the beginning of a word, then it gives a consonant sound, and gives its real sound. W at the beginning of a word and Y at the beginning of a word. So here we have yellow, years, yearn, etc. So second reason is that if W and Y are used at the middle or at the end or ending of any word, then it is pronounced as vowel. So, if we use these two letters W and Y at the middle of a word or at the end of a word, then it is said to be vowel sound, or it is pronounced as vowel. So now let's see the example. So here we have window is there, window. So first we have seen the first, if it used at the beginning of a word, if it is used at the beginning of a word, then it has got consonant sound. Consonant sound. Second, if W or Y are used at the middle or at the end of any word, then it is pronounced as vowel. So now at the end it is used, W is used. So here window, O sound is coming. O sound is coming. O sound. O sound is coming, and O is, you know, that is vowel. Second example you have, that is sky. And if a letter Y is used at the end of a word, so Y is there. So here this Y, the last ending word, it sound comes E sound comes. So E sound comes, sky, E, ending with E. So again E is vowel. That's why these two letters W and Y is known as semi-vowels. One more example. Let's say Y is there. So here W is used as consonant sound is there. Same sound is coming, that is W only. But then Y is there, Y. At the end it is there. So again here E sound is coming, E sound. And E, as you know, E is a vowel. Next we will see example of Y. Sympathy, let us see. Sympathy, this is the word sympathy. And Y is used here, and here Y is used. So sympathy. So here use in, E word is coming, E. And here also sympathy, E sound is coming. E sound. So E sound. So that's why these two letters W and Y is known as semi-vowels. Otherwise, real vowels are A, E, I, O, U. But then when you pronounce this particular word, if at the beginning is used, then it is used as a consonant. But then if these two letters are used at the end of a word or in the middle of a word, then there will be a vowel sound. Let us say here W there, window, O sound is coming. So O sound is there. So O is vowel. Second one you have sympathy. Here E sound is coming, Y. And here also E, last ending sound comes, that is E. Sympathy, you are saying. So here E sound comes. So this is, and E, as you know, E is a vowel word. So that's why W and Y is known as semi-vowel. Hope this concept is clear. Why W and Y is known as semi-vowel. If you like the video, then subscribe my channel and like the video to get the latest update.